Welcome to the SINACON 2026 Registration and Submission Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the complete process from creating your account to submitting your paper and accessing your conference materials. To begin, scan the barcode provided on poster and it will take you to the official SINACON website and click the Register button to create your account. Select your registration category, whether you are joining as an author or a participant. Then choose your participant type based on your role in the conference. Complete the registration form by entering your personal information. Make sure all details are accurate. Set your password and finalize your registration by clicking Create Account. After registering, go to your dashboard. Your account will remain inactive until you complete the payment. Select your registration package and upload your payment proof. Once your payment has been verified by the admin, your account will be activated and you can proceed to the next steps. On your dashboard, you can view important conference information, including key dates, your submission status, and quick access to important features. To submit your paper, click Submit Paper from the dashboard menu. Enter your paper title, abstract, keywords, and select the appropriate topic. Add any co-authors if needed. Then upload your abstract, full paper, and optional Turnitin file. Once completed, click Submit Paper. After submission, you can monitor your paper status directly from the dashboard, including whether it is under review or accepted. Once your paper is accepted, your letter of acceptance or LOA will be available in the LOA and invoice section. You can view and download your official LOA directly from the system. Upload your presentation video through the presentation video menu after your payment has been verified. And that's the complete process for SINACON 2026. We look forward to your participation. See you at the conference!